The stock price of Reliance Industries is down 22% from its top level and currently it is trading at the level of 1250 rupees. In this video, we will deep dive into stock analysis of Reliance. We will look business model, future growth prospect, key strength, financials and a technical chart pattern. Make sure you stick around till the end for better learning. Hi everyone, my name is Hariom and you are watching Trading with Hariom. Reliance was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani and now promoted and managed by Mukesh Ambani. Ambani's family has about 50% shareholding in the conglomerate. The company has various business verticals, but top three are all to chemical segment which contribute 57% of revenue, retail segment which contribute 23% of revenue and digital service business Jio which contribute 11% of revenue. Under the oil to chemical segment, the company primarily refines crude oil to manufacture or export transportation fuels, polyesters, polymers and intermediates. It has plant and manufacturing assets across India in Jamnagar, Hazira, Dahej, Nagathane, Vadodara and others. It has a crude oil refinery capacity of 1.4 million barrels per day and it has the largest single-site refinery complex globally. Under the retail segment, the company is the largest retailer in India with the various stores including electronic, pharma, groceries, fashion and lifestyles. It operates 15,200 stores and a customer base of 19 crore. Its store brands include Reliance Fresh, Digital, Smart, Hemless, Jio Outlet, Netmates, Rescue and others. It also operates e-commerce platforms such as Netmate, JioMart, Milky Basket, Urban Ladder and so on. Some of its acquisitions under the segments include Just Dial, 7-Eleven, Milk Basket, Manish Malhotra, Clovia and Dunjo and so on. Under the digital service business, Jio Digital is the India's largest digital platform with the subscriber base of 41 crore and a market share of 36% in India. It offers wireless connectivity, home and corporate broadband and it carried 10% of the global mobile data traffic. The company became the largest broadband provider in India with a market share of 50% within just 2 years of launch. The company holds 67% stake in Jio platform while the rest was sold by Reliance to multinational corporates such as Meta, Google and Vista Equity. Under the media and entertainment business, the company owns Network 18 Media which has a presence across full spectrum of content such as sport, news, movies, entertainment and live entertainment. Its portfolio includes CNBC TV, MTV, Colors, Nick and History TV. It also operates digital platforms such as Money Control, News 18, CNBC, Oot and Bookma Show. Now we'll discuss key strength of Reliance Industry. Diversified business portfolio. Reliance operates in multiple sectors including petrochemicals, refining, retail, telecom and energy, reducing dependency on any single segment. The second one is market leadership. It is India's largest company by revenue and profitability with the dominant position in oil, refining, retail and telecom. The third one is a strong brand and a consumer base. Reliance Jio is India's leading telecom provider while Reliance Retail is the largest retailer in India. The fourth one is robust financials. The company has a strong balance sheet, high cash flow from operations and improving profitability. The fifth one is aggressive expansion into new age businesses. Investment in green energy and digital transformation position it in the future growth. Sixth one is economies of scale. Large scale operations in refining and petrochemicals helps in cost efficiency and higher margins. Seventh one is strategic partnership. Collaboration with global giants like Facebook, Google and BP enhance its technological and business operations. Now we'll discuss leadership. Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and managing director of the Reliance Industry, who completed his bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from Institute of Chemical Technology from Mumbai. He has over 40 years of experience leading Reliance Industry. Next leadership is Akash Ambani, who is the chairman of Reliance Jio, who has done bachelor's degree in economics from Brown University, USA and has over 7 years of experience in the telecom industry. Became a chairman of Jio in 2022 and played a key role in Jio's strategic partnership between Google and Facebook. Next key leadership is Isha Ambani, director of Reliance Retail and Reliance Jio. She has done MBA from Stanford University and has over 7 years of experience in retail industry. Now we'll discuss future growth prospect of Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry has a strong growth potential across its key businesses. In its oil to chemical segment, it is expanding the Jamnagar refinery, focusing on specialty chemicals and integrating renewable energy to cut cost. Reliance Jio is rapidly expanding 5G, broadband, cloud services, AI-driven content, and fintech solutions. Reliance Retail is growing its offline and online presence, strengthening the private labels like Coca-Cola and making strategic acquisitions. The company is heavily investing $10 billion in green energy, building gigafactories for solar panels, batteries, and hydrogen fuels. In media, it is expanding Jio Cinemas, Viewcom 18, and sports broadcasting. Jio Financial Services aims to be key player in digital lending, insurance, and payments with potential fintech tie-ups. With these initiatives, Reliance is set for significant future growth. Now we'll discuss financial. In the most trailing 12 months, the company posted a consolidated revenue of 9,39,838 crore of revenue with the growth of 4% as compared to previous FY24's revenue of 8,99,041 crore. During the same period, Reliance Industries achieved a net profit of 79,941 crore as compared to FY24's net profit of 79,020 crore. Now we'll discuss valuation. The company commands a P of 24, which is slightly higher as compared to industry P of 20 and equal to the 5 years median P of 26. Now we'll discuss technical chart pattern of Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries is currently trading at the level of 1264, which is 22% down from its recent high. The stock is trading below the 200-day SMA. Additionally, it is also below the 20-day and the 50-day SMA. The stock is currently trading near its October 21 levels, suggesting strong support in the 1250 and 1270 zone. The first resistance is around 1330 will be 50 SMA, followed by 1450 will be the 200 SMA. A breakout above these levels can trigger bullish momentum. Now we talk about the long-term consolidation for the same. Despite its price decline, Reliance has been in long-term consolidation phase for the past 4 years, moving within a broad range. However, its fundamentals remain strong, suggesting that this consolidation may just a prolonged accumulation phase before a breakout. Let me know in the comment below how much time it will take to regain its previous high. Please take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. See you in the next one. Till time, happy investing.